Ever thought about stepping up your shoe game? Check out Rasta Bingii and Badadan custom shoes. These aren't just any kicks. They're a total transformation for your feet. Imagine taking your current shoes and giving them a fresh, personalized makeover that screams you with unique designs inspired by Jamaican culture. You'll stand out in the best way possible. And let's talk versatility. These shoes are perfect for any occasion, whether you're hitting the streets or chilling with friends. Plus, they come at affordable prices, so you can get that custom vibe without breaking the bank, right? Trust me, once you rock these, you'll feel the difference. So why wait? Click the link and discover how you can elevate your style with Rasta Bingii and Badadan today. You won't want to miss this.